Good morning. I am Sagar Dalvi, batch July 2021. Today's date is 25th September 2021, and today I am going to discuss one of the topic in Java, that is method. We know that method means a set of instruction in order to achieve the some specific output. In Java, everything must be written with respect to object. Object is a real world entity whose logical entity is class, and class having the two types of property. The first one is a data member, and second one is method functions or method. We can call as a method. In Java, it is generally said that variable are the dumb, and whatever the logic must be implemented within the method. Means the among the two properties, the first one is the dumb, and second one where actual logic is implemented. These are the method. Again, method are classified into the four types. The first type is no parameter, no return data type. Second one is parameter without return data types. Third one is return data types with no parameter, and the fourth one is return data type with the parameter. So let's discuss one by one. The first one is without parameter and without return data type. Suppose we have the one class whose name is calc, and in that we have the two instance variable. The first one is int num1 and int num2, and suppose we have the method public void add, and within bracket no parameter is pass. And when we call this add method from the main method of another class, then we can say that we can simply evoke this add method by using object of calc class dot add. No, we cannot pass any parameter, and we can't get any return from this add method. Sorry. So we can say that this add method is without parameter and without any return data types. The second type is with parameter and without return data type. Suppose we have the another method public void sub, and in bracket num1 num2. Means here num1 and num2 are the parameter which we can pass from the main method. So in this type of signature we can call without return data type with parameter. The third type of method is with return data types and without method. The signature of such a method is public int mul in bracket no parameter. Whenever we declare any return data type, then it is necessity of the programmer to return something, and if we not return anything, that compiler give error, and whatever we want to return, that must be using reserve keyword return. In this case, suppose we want to return the multiplication of two number num1 and num2, then we can simply write down result is equal to num1 into num2, and we can return this result by using the keyword return, and we can return this result by using the following syntax, that is the return and result. And it is must be responsibility of the programmer to catch this result at the place where call is made for this mul method. And the fourth type is method with a parameter and with return data type. The method signature for such a kind of method like public int div num1 and num2. This num1 and num2 we can pass from the main method of the another class, and the result of this division of num1 and num2 we can return to the main method by using the return. So these are the four types of method. That's it for today. We will meet in soon. Thank you.